Nepal is home to one of the deepest gorges on Earth, even deeper than the Grand Canyon. This is the science behind the incredible Kali Gandaki Gorge. The Kali Gandaki Gorge lies between two Himalayan giants, Dhaulagiri on one side and Annapurna on the other. Both of these mountains tower over 8,000 meters high. This extreme height difference creates one of the greatest elevation drops on the entire planet. So, what makes it the deepest? Unlike man-made measurements that look only at water depth, geologists measure gorges by their vertical relief. That's the height from the riverbed all the way up to the peaks above. The Kali Gandaki River sits at around 2,500 meters, while the mountains around it rise straight up to over 8,000 meters. That's a massive vertical difference of more than 5,500 meters. The staggering scale is why many geologists classify Kali Gandaki as the deepest gorge in the world. Now, here's the most fascinating part. The Kali Gandaki River is actually much older than the Himalayas themselves. Scientists believe the river existed when this entire region was still a low, rolling plain, long before the mountains began to rise. As the Himalayas started lifting upward, the powerful river just kept cutting downward, carving its path deeper and deeper into the rock. This process is called antecedent drainage. The river essentially refused to shift its course, while the land around it rose thousands of meters into the sky. The gorge passes through Mustang, which is one of the most unique landscapes on Earth. This area lies in what's known as the rain shadow of the Himalayas. Because the mountains block the monsoon winds, Mustang gets very little rain. This dry climate perfectly preserves ancient rock layers, marine fossils, and the massive canyon walls that were carved by the Kali Gandaki over millions of years. Speaking of fossils, the gorge is an absolute treasure chest for geology. You can find ammonite fossils, locally known as shallograms, scattered all along the riverbed. These incredible fossils are millions of years old and come from sedimentary rocks that were formed in the ancient Tethys Sea, which once covered this area. But the Kali Gandaki is not a finished gorge, it's actively evolving. Landslides, constant erosion, and the ongoing rise of the Himalayas are always reshaping this dynamic valley. So the next time you see images of Mustang or the Annapurna region, remember, this is not just a valley, it's one of Earth's greatest geological masterpieces. Thanks for watching.